can convert the information with science as a framework in the knowledge, and you can convert knowledge with the science or through the science in the information. So why I'm touching upon this very fundamental understanding, because we are so much dwelled in the information continuously. The information is coming to us with every angle. We don't know what to do with it. Literally, I mean, if you think that how much information you suck in every day, and how much you retain, how much you process, and how much you implement, actually. And that's scary, because according to me, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, that my fear is that the cyberspace will be bigger than the real space. You know, like if she and me are like 4 or 5 feet apart, but we might be trillion bytes apart. Think about it. Now, why it is connected so inherently with the skin care, as we are a part of that entire industry, is if I put together all the research done, all the information gathered, all the knowledge derived so far in respect to the skin, we hardly know 0.01% of the skin. We really don't know what the skin is still today. 99% is the unknown. The problem is that 99% unknown controls what we know, the 0.01%. So the good news is that there is so much possibility around. There is so much to do here. And we are absolutely in a fantastic position at this point of time, because you consider the technologies we are surrounded with.